guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing some Grinch makeup today, so I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna do kind of like 75% of my face the Grinch. So I'm gonna leave like one eye normal makeup. So I'm gonna start off kind of outlining where I want that to be, and then I'm gonna go in with green, and yeah. Okay, now that I got my hair pulled back, I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna use a black liquid liner. This one is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm just gonna draw it out. It doesn't have to be perfect because I want it kind of wonky. So now I'm gonna go in with a green and just fill in this part Grinch green. I'm gonna try this green shade. It's called Poison Green. It's like a superstar water activated paint. So I'm gonna see if that one, the shade goes good. So I feel like this green isn't as Grinchy green as I was thinking it would be. So I'm gonna try to add a bit of yellow and see if I can make it a bit something different. I'm gonna use the yellow in my Mehron palette and try to kind of blend it and see what I can mix up. Okay, so I'm liking that a lot better with yellow added to it. I think it's less just like green. So now I'm gonna let that dry for a few, and then I'm gonna go in and add some more lines and then the nose and stuff. I'm also gonna touch up this black part real quick and just fix it a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make the little Grinch nose. So I'm just gonna use a black from my Mehron palette and draw a little nose. And now I'm just gonna draw like a tiny line going down to the mouth. All right, now I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow and just kind of add some shadow around the nose and then coming out of the mouth a bit too. I feel like I'm gonna have black and green up my nose for a while. I just tasted it. Ew. Okay, now I'm gonna add a few dots in this area under the nose that the Grinch has. So I'm just gonna use my black liquid liner and just kind of dot it on. Okay, added a few dots, and now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start making the lines on the Grinch's face. I'm just gonna use, I think I'm gonna trace it out kind of with a black eyeshadow and kind of blend it as I go. I don't know why this makes me laugh when I look at myself. I don't know why, I just think I look really funny. Like a cat. Okay, let's do the next line. I keep licking my lips too, and I keep eating my eyeshadow. Okay, need to focus. Now I'm just adding shadow along this line and kind of blending it out. Added a bit of eyeliner on the Grinch eye. I'm just gonna add a hint of the black eyeliner to all the lines. I don't want to do like the full line because I feel like it would be too black. I just kind of want to like fade it into it a little bit and make it a bit blacker, I guess. I'm just kind of like lightly going over it and flicking it out so it doesn't be too much of a straight line. Okay. Now I'm gonna add a hint of highlight on the Grinch nose. Just a little bit of white. And then I think I'm gonna go in with like a normal highlighter and add like just tiny little bit of a highlight. Yeah, I like that. Alright. Maybe I'm gonna highlight a few more areas. So I'm just doing that in between the lines, and I'm gonna do it on the other side. I think I'm gonna make this line a bit more freaky. Alright, now I'm gonna do a quick normal eye makeup look on this eye. Just a bit of eyeliner and shadow. I think I'm gonna add some fake eyelashes. So off camera, I went ahead and put some fake eyelashes on and an eye contact. I didn't have a plain yellow one for the Grinch, but I had this yellow reptile one that I think works just as well. So now I have a Santa hat I'm gonna put on and see how everything looks. So here is the final look. Here's how it looks with the Santa hat. I still just can't stop laughing at myself. I don't know why this makeup is so comical to me, but it is. I just want to go make Grinch faces in the mirror and laugh. So that is what I'm going to do. I will be making some more holiday makeup videos soon. So I will see you next time. Bye guys.